issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shellisburg, or near Darlington, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lena, Warren, Apple River, Winslow, Nora, Buena Vista, Oneco, Wadhams Grove, Apple River Canyon State Park, Lake Lackawanna State Park, Daviess County Fairgrounds, and McConnell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.